What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna go over our Wise Guy wheel and tire cleaner along with our Cool Guy wheel cleaner. We're gonna break down what the difference is, how to use them, along with how to dilute Wise Guy properly. Let's get into it. So our Wise Guy is a concentrated. It has to be diluted. So you're gonna dilute this product 1-to-1. If you have one of our shinesupply spray bottles, you're gonna look at the back. It has a 1-to-1 dilution ratio tab right here. You're gonna fill it to product to the 1-to-1, and then you're gonna fill it with water to this 32-ounce neckline. Then it's ready to go. The Cool Guy wheel cleaner is ready to use. So you can get going with this right out of the bottle. Now let's break down a few differences between the two products. So Wise Guy is a wheel and tire cleaner. So it's a non-acid cleaner for your wheels, but it also works incredibly well to clean your tires. It melts off the grime. You're gonna see that in a minute when we give you guys a demonstration. So it also is effective on cleaning any factory wheel, so meaning a non-aftermarket wheel. The only two types of wheels you do not want to use Wise Guy on will be polished aluminum and anodized wheels. So you want to stay away from cleaning those kind of wheels with Wise Guy. If you have those kind of wheels in your car, we suggest using our Solution all-purpose Solution multi-purpose cleaner. So I would say Wise Guy's best ability is to clean tires. Although it does clean wheels really well, its strength would be in cleaning the tires. All right, so why would you want to use one of these products over the other? So like I just mentioned, Wise Guy is just great for your weekly maintenance. You don't have a lot of brake dust buildup. Wise Guy is a perfect fit to clean your wheels and your tires. Now, Cool Guy being specific for wheel cleaning only, if you had a wheel, especially like right here behind us on this Beamer, with really heavy brake dust buildup, this would be when you'd want to use the Cool Guy wheel cleaner, being that it's an iron removing wheel cleaner. So Cool Guy is going to attack that brake dust, which is little tiny iron particles, and it's going to break it down because those bond to the wheel surface. All right, so one thing about Cool Guy wheel cleaner, it's kind of like why we named it Cool Guy wheel cleaner, is it's a cool aspect, is that when it does interact with the brake dust, it changes colors and turns purple. What that means is that's when the ingredients in Cool Guy wheel cleaner is breaking down all that brake dust, it changes to that purple color, and you're gonna see that runoff. That's a good sign. That's showing you all the brake dust that product is pulling off your wheels. Wise Guy would not be able to break that brake dust down in the same way Cool Guy would, because Wise Guy is not an iron removing wheel cleaner. So heavy brake dust buildup, you're gonna want to use Cool Guy. You've gone on a long drive, long road trip, you've been driving for a few weeks, you haven't got a good wash in, that's when you'd want to use Cool Guy. Get rid of all that heavy brake dust that can end up contaminating and damaging your wheels. And then on the next follow-up week, you could go back and do a maintenance with the Wise Guy wheel cleaner. So you can use them, on and off like that. All right, so on this Beamer, we are going to use the Cool Guy wheel cleaner on the wheels, and we're gonna use the Wise Guy tire and wheel cleaner on the tires. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come through, we're gonna wet this wheel down, we're gonna take our Cool Guy, we're gonna spray the face of this wheel, some of that product inside the barrel of the wheel, and then we're gonna spray Wise Guy tire and wheel cleaner on the tires. Let's get into it. All right, another thing is when you're using the Cool Guy wheel cleaner, as you saw, I was using some of the wheel Woolie brushes. So that allows you to use less product, and then you're gonna use your brushes to agitate and work the product so you don't have to lean so much on the product's performance because you're using those brushes to help do the work, do some of the cleaning for you. So make sure you have a quality set of brushes, and then the stiffer brush, we'll have it in the description below, is our multi-purpose brush. That's great for scrubbing tires. You just always wanna make sure you stay away from the rim surface when you're using that brush because it is a stiffer brush. All right, so I hope that helps give you an understanding of the difference between our two wheel cleaning products. A couple pro tips. One that will save you a little bit of money, reference this in the beginning of the video. For heavy brake dust, use your Cool Guy wheel cleaner to break that down. And then for your maintenance, your weekly maintenance with your washing, use your Wise Guy as long as you don't have heavy brake dust buildup. Another tip is in your wheel bucket where you have your water, you're dipping your brushes in and out of that while you're cleaning. You can put a little soap in there or some multi-purpose cleaner. Helps kind of keep your brushes clean and just boosts up the cleaning power while you're in there cleaning the wheels. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps give you a window on how to use these two products. Any questions, comments you have about what we went over today, leave it in the comments section below, and we'll see you next time.